Don't you like this song?
Yeah, it's very nice.
So wonderful.
I like it.
You should. Oh god. Oh god. That was so scary.
Oh my
did you guys see that? Did you see? Ooh. For a second there I thought it was a Oh my god! Oh my god! Do you feel that, Phil?
You just sound like.
Do you feel that, Philip?
Oh
my god!
Oh no! The world's coming to an end.
Oh god!
Oh my gosh!
Oh god! Oh god! Oh! Oh god!
That was fun.
Did you guys feel that? Wasn't that creepy?
Yeah, it was so creepy.
So, we just did a reenactment on what had happened to poor people all over the East Coast or West Coast?
Did you say it was to what people?
All over the people, West Coast or East Coast?
Oh, East Coast.
East Coast. You just saw what happened. It was a really scary thing. We experienced a very scary earthquake in Maryland. It shook people's homes.
Yeah,
People in John Hopkins Hospital had to get out. These are sick people. That's why they're in the hospital. Had to leave the hospital because the earthquake was so horrible.
It wasn't that bad. I mean, it was 5.9.
It was really ridiculous. It felt like 10.8. So I just wanted you guys to understand that. Because it was a very scary thing. And for those of you on the East Coast who wanted to know how it felt, now you guys see. So I thank you for looking at this wonderful video. Peace forever.